In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Squarespace plans. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to see every plan available for your site, along with pricing and key differences, all without committing to anything. Start on your Squarespace dashboard. In the bottom left corner, look for the small gear icon. This is your settings icon. Go ahead and click it. If your sidebar looks minimal, don't worry. Just move your cursor toward that corner and the gear should appear. This takes you into the area where you control the behind-the-scenes details of your site. Inside Settings, head straight to Billing. This is the hub for everything related to payments and plan management, including invoices, payment methods, and the subscriptions tied to your site. Opening Billing won't trigger a charge. It simply shows you what you have and what you can choose. Once you're in Billing, go to Subscriptions. This section lists the services connected to your account, such as your website, subscription, and any add-ons you might be using. It's the best place to review what's active now and what options are available if you're considering a change. Next, locate the entry that corresponds to your website description. Select it to open the details for that specific site. Here, you'll see a button labeled Subscribe. Click Subscribe to bring up the full list of Squarespace subscription plans. This is where you can compare plan tiers, see current pricing, and explore what each plan includes. On the plan screen, you can usually view both monthly and annual pricing, so take a moment to toggle between those options if it's available. Annual billing often shows a discount, but choose whatever aligns with your budget and timeline. As you compare, look at the features that matter most to your site. Things like e-commerce tools, advanced analytics, promotional features, or member areas, so you understand what you gain by moving up a tier. If you manage more than one site, double-check that you're looking at the correct website entry before making any decisions. If you're simply researching, you can close the plans view at any time without making a purchase. You can also return to subscriptions to review another site's details the same way. That's all there is to it. From your dashboard, click the gear icon, open Billing, go to Subscriptions, select the website description, and click Subscribe to see all your plan options. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you confidently compare Squarespace plans and choose the one that fits your needs.